Why do 170,000 people evacuate as wildfires rage in Los Angeles? On January 7, 2025, powerful Santa Ana winds hit Los Angeles County at 80 miles per hour, sparking multiple wildfires. With drought conditions and warmer temperatures, the fires spread rapidly. The largest fires, Eaton and Pacific Palisades, remain only partially contained, with firefighters battling against fierce winds and water shortages. The Palisades fire alone has scorched over 23,000 acres, resulting in 8 tragic fatalities and the destruction of 12,000 structures. Over 170,000 residents have been evacuated, as the fires consume 44,000 acres in total. Economic losses are staggering, estimated up to $150 billion. The recovery journey is just beginning. Support marginalized residents by donating to CDP's California Wildfire Recovery Fund. Together we can rebuild. Stay informed and stay safe.